हेलो, वेलकम टू एडवेंचर आईएएस। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे चैट जीपीटी, जो बहुत ही न्यूज में है। और आज के मॉडर्न जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रही है ग्लोबली, तो हमें ये भी जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि आने वाले समय में जो टेक्नोलॉजी, जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, ये सब जो डिमांड जो आने वाले समय में इनकी होगी, ये बहुत ही हाई लेवल में होने वाली है। सो चैट जीपीटी ये एक न्यू रेवोल्यूशन भी कह सकते हैं। और अभी इसे लॉन्च हुए नवंबर में ही हुआ है लॉन्च, बट अभी तक इसके 1 मिलियन से भी ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स और सब्सक्राइबर बोल सकते हैं। सो पीपल आर एक्सेप्टिंग दिस। ओके, सो चैट जीपीटी का फुल फॉर्म यहाँ पर है जनरेटिव पैटर्न ट्रांसफॉर्मर। ओके, so how it works? It builds a sentence word by word, choosing the most likely token to appear. Okay, so it's completely based on this mechanism of software. First we input the data, okay, what we are going to find, then it analyze, okay, then identify intent and entities, then compose reply. Okay, so it is a build by build mechanism. So build by build or word by word. So it's a chatbot. Okay, so there is, in other side there is no human person, but a software is working there. So whatever we put input in that, so it gives us our reply. Okay, so it is an AI, artificial intelligence chatbot that generate ह्यूमन लाइक रेस्पॉन्सेस टू टेक्स्ट इनपुट। ओके, सो हम अभी मेंशन किए जैसे कि आपको कभी ये नहीं लगेगा चैटबॉट में कि हम किसी एक रोबोटिक मैकेनिज्म से बात कर रहे हैं और एक सॉफ्टवेयर से बात कर रहे हैं। इट्स कम्प्लीटली लाइक ह्यूमन एग्जिस्टेंस इन अदर साइड। ओके, एंड सेकेंड इज earlier also I told that 1 million user since it was released on November. Okay, so there are advantage of anything, there are disadvantage of anything, there are limitations of everything. Okay, in life, in anything, any sphere of life. Okay, so advantages are transformer architecture, fast and scalable response time, ability to handle wide variety of languages, customization capabilities. Okay, so these are the features provided by this chat GPT. And further, it is based on the powerful GPT 3.5 series of language learning models, LLM, and interacts in a conversational way. So मैंने पहले भी कहा कि conversational way, कि you cannot feel anything else, you feel like a human presence in other side of your box. They are giving as human only, like human are giving replies to our questions. So chat GPT is a sibling model to instruct GPT, which is trained to follow instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response. Okay, it is trained using a machine learning technique called reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. Okay, see, this is very important here. So it is a machine learning. See, I earlier also told that machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, these all are coming generation jobs, high profile jobs. These are coming. Okay, so it will work, and it is a good initiative also. And many big giant companies like Google, Meta, they also hire these features. Okay, so let's see what happened. But there is always some limitation, like we cannot develop a artificial intelligence and it like see, मैं कहना ये चाह रहा हूँ कि हम ऐसा कुछ क्रिएट ना करें जिसे रोकने के लिए हमें कुछ और क्रिएट करना पड़े। Understand what I am trying to say? So these are the limitations. Okay, so we can create anything. Okay, but with the limitation of seeing everything. Okay, so this is the right approach in that. So this is the short brief of ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? So this is a input output basis result, and this is fully works on the token and building blocks like word, these all other features in that. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe Adventure Eyes. For more updates, press the bell icon. Thank you.